In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix slow Xbox app download speed on Windows 11. Start by opening the Xbox app, then select your profile from the top corner and open the settings. Select Install Options from the side, then go to the Enable Downloads and Updates during Gameplay option. If your download is slow because you're playing a game, then turn this on so it can download while you play. However, this may affect your performance in-game. Close the settings. Next, I recommend using an Ethernet connection if possible, even if it's just while you're downloading. If you can't use an Ethernet connection, then you may have another version of your Wi-Fi which can increase your download speed. Open the Start menu, then search for Wi-Fi and open the Wi-Fi settings. Expand the Show Available Networks option, then check if there are two versions of your Wi-Fi. Typically, the Wi-Fi name will be the same, but one will say 2.4G and the other will say 5G. The 2.4G option provides a more consistent connection at long distances, while 5G will provide better download speeds at short ranges. If you are close to your modem or router, then using the 5G option should increase your download speed. Next, pause your download, then open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, then choose to run as administrator. Then click Yes if asked to allow changes to be made. Next, you will need to enter each of the commands I have here one at a time. I'll include a link to all of the commands in the description. After entering one of the commands, press Enter, then wait for the process to finish. Once done, enter the next command and press Enter. Repeat until you have used all the commands. Make sure to let them finish before trying to enter a new one. Open the Start menu, then click on the power button and choose Restart. Once done, open the Xbox app and check if your download speed has improved. If you're still having issues, then make sure you're not downloading or uploading anything, even on other devices. Another option is to restart your modem or router. Typically, I leave my modem turned off for about a minute before turning it back on to make sure it resets correctly. To prevent the issue in the future, you may want to enable the automatic update setting in the install options. This will allow your games to update when available. You now know how to fix slow Xbox app download speed on Windows 11. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.